Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the error message. This says interrupted action can't find the specified file. Make sure you specify the correct path and the file name. First thing I recommend to do is cancel the action and see if it already has completed or pairs the source file has been detected or moved already, and go ahead and restart your computer guys. Sometimes simply restarting your computer can fix the issue guys. Actually go ahead and restart it, and after that if you not get resolved, uh, go to taskbar over here, right click on it and go to task manager. In here you need to search for explorer, scroll down guys, full out of down, and here found windows explorer, right click on it and click restart. Wait for it guys. Now a problem has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.